If you're seeing a Steam pending transaction error, don't worry. This usually means a previous purchase didn't fully go through and Steam is temporarily blocking new transactions until that old one is resolved. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it, starting with the most effective method first. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the main fix. Cancel the stuck transaction. This is often the best way to unjam your account. Open Steam and click your profile name in the top right corner. From there, go to Account Details. On the Account Details page, look for View Purchase History and click it. You'll now see a list of your recent Steam transactions. Find the one that says Pending. This is the purchase that's stuck and preventing any new orders from going through. Click on that pending transaction to open the details. If Steam gives you the option, choose Cancel this transaction. Once you cancel it, Steam should clear the block on your account, and you can usually try your purchase again right away. If you were trying to buy a game, add wallet funds, or complete any other payment, test it again after the cancellation and see if it goes through normally. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. Steam is very strict when it comes to regional pricing, account security, and payment verification. If Steam detects a VPN or proxy, it may flag the transaction and leave it stuck in pending status. So if you're using one, turn it off completely. After disabling it, close Steam fully, restart the app, and try the transaction again. In many cases, that alone is enough to resolve the issue. Now let's talk about your connection. Sometimes the problem happens because your internet hiccuped during the payment process. If Steam never got the final confirmation from your device, the transaction can remain stuck on their side waiting for a response that's never coming. If the first two fixes don't work, try using the Steam mobile app instead. Open the app on your phone, switch to cellular data if possible, and attempt the purchase there. This can help bypass local network problems, Wi-Fi issues, or DNS conflicts on your PC. Another important thing to know is that sometimes the best fix is simply waiting. During big Steam sales, like the summer sale or winter sale, Steam servers can get overloaded. When that happens, transactions may sit in pending for a while even though nothing is actually wrong with your account. If you haven't been charged yet, wait about 30 minutes and check again. In a lot of cases, the transaction will either complete on its own or fail properly, which will then let you try again. So to recap, if you're dealing with a Steam pending transaction error, first cancel the stuck purchase in your purchase history. If that doesn't work, turn off any VPN or proxy, restart Steam, and try again. Then check your connection by using the Steam mobile app on cellular data. And if Steam is simply busy, give it a little time and let the system resolve itself. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Steam troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.